Aloha guys, we're going to be looking at a really cool feature in Adobe Photoshop which has to do with going into your libraries panel and being able to set up custom patterns. And really you can make a pattern out of any image, and that's what's so cool about this feature. So I've went ahead and downloaded 3 different images we're going to play with from pexels.com, one of my favorite sites for free stock photography. So we'll go ahead and dive in and play around with this feature and see what we can create. Enjoy. So guys, just wanted to dive back in here and show you a little more of the functionality of this pattern option and how many different things you can do. You can change it from color to black and white, and then you can continue to mix up the variety in your patterns if you look at those boxes across the top, which is a super cool function. It really allows you to come up with some amazing patterns, and there's so much variety in them. So super cool function, definitely something you're going to want to play around with there. And then if we look at the top here, we have more functionality. We have shapes, which you can make a custom icon from your image, which is a super neat function. Definitely something you're going to want to play around with there. Color schemes. We can actually go into the original image and choose colors specifically by dragging those circles around and getting the actual codes for them. Really neat option to have. You can save those to your library also. And then also we have the ability to make custom gradients from the different colors that are in your image. And those are really neat to play around with. And again, of course, you can save those to your libraries panel. So some super cool functions that are also included in the patterns option of your library. Definitely something you're going to want to play around with, and I'm sure you're going to make some amazing things from it.